This video will help any beginner to create a menu like this.
And at the end of this video, I'll show you a free tool to keep your site super fast with a 90+ score on Google Page Speed.
As you can see here, this menu is a navigation tool that helps visitors navigate your website. To create a menu like this, go back to your dashboard, go to Appearance, and then Menus. Click on Create a new menu, enter a name for your menu, and click Create Menu. On the left side, you'll see different items you can add to your menu. You can add pages, posts, custom links, and categories. To add an item, simply check the box next to it and click Add to Menu. You can rearrange the order of the items by dragging and dropping them. Once you're happy with your menu, select where you want it to be displayed under the display location and click Save Menu. And there you have it. You've just added a menu to your website. Now, if you want to change this area, it can be edited by going to the Customize option. Now, you can see that there are some blue icons and you can click on them to change things. Like if you want to change this logo, just click here and you'll be able to change it. Okay, once you're done, click Publish and you can make all these changes live on your website.
But your visitors may not visit this site unless you do one more thing. Open another tab and type Google Page Speed. Now click on the Page Speed Insights. This is a free page by Google to check if your website is loading too slowly and driving away visitors. So go back to your website, copy the URL, come back and paste it here. Then click Analyze. Now you can see that your site score is quite low and there's many red warnings here. If the score is less than 90 and there's a single red number here, then we need to increase the site speed. The best free tool to increase the site speed is Airlift. So you will go here to open another tab, type airlift.net. And this website will open. Yes, that is my face because my team built this, but don't worry, it's 100% free and we have built successful plugins before, so you can trust when I say that this is the best free speed plugin in the market. So click sign up, add your email, now paste your website URL here and click here. Now download the plugin by clicking here. You can see a zip file has been downloaded. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, then add new. Then drag and drop the folder. Install the plugin and then activate it. Now your site is automatically being optimized and here you can see a big jump in your site speed. If you go back to the Page Speed Insights and analyze again, you'll now see the improved score. Now come back to your WordPress dashboard and if you want to customize or edit your website, check out this next tutorial that I made for you.